Okay, so Allie has a collection of snap-together building blocks, also known as Legos. Allie has 177 of them. Allie has 1/4 as many red blocks as blue blocks, half as many white blocks as black blocks, and an equal number of black and blue blocks. She also has 34 miscellaneous blocks of other colors. How many red blocks does Allie have? How are we going to do this one, folks?
We're going to make two equations.
We're going to make some equations.
I started with subtracting 34 from 177.
That makes a lot of sense. And that got us...
that got me 143.
All right. So then, so now we, as Walter said, we need some equations that relate the blocks. So the first thing says Allie has 1/4 as many red blocks as blue blocks. So how do I write that as an equation?
4b equals b. But no.
Let's go with red and B for blue.
1/4 R equals B, or other way around.
Because we have more blue than
That's
red.
what I meant.
Okay. All right. So then our next equation is going to be half as many white blocks as black blocks. Now for black, I'm going to use K because it ends in K.
With W.
Yeah?
But Mr. Franklin, since blue is equal to black, you could use B for both.
Yeah, I could. Okay, I could. So you said blue?
Hi.
Hello is equal to black.
Yeah, so B equals 2W. Yeah, but also 2W equals B. Oh yeah, wait.
Half.
Which means 2R equals W. No, 2W equals K.
Oh my goodness, Walter. Equals B, which is equal to K.
Okay, so we have half as many white blocks as black blocks.
I just
So do we have more black blocks or white blocks?
Yeah, we do. We have twice as many.
We have twice as many black blocks as white blocks. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we also know absolutely that the red blocks plus the white blocks plus the blue blocks plus the black blocks has to equal 143.
Yep.
All right. And okay, so well, we know that the blue blocks are equal to 4R, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, or W.
But we want
And we know that 2R equals W.
But hold on. But remember, we want everything in terms of red blocks because we want to know how many red blocks Allie has, right?
Yeah, but for
So if blue blocks equal black blocks, what can I put in? What can I put in for K?
well, 4R.
Another 4R. Okay. All right. Well, what about for the white blocks?
2R. 2W equals B and 4R equals B, then 2R equals W.
So 2R, yeah.
So it's going to be 2R. And here's how you got this. So using this equation, we also know that 2W is equal to B, right? B is equal to 4R. So we have 2W is equal to 4R. So we divide by 2, and we get W is equal to 2R. Okay, so how many R's do we have in total for this equation?
11.
We have 11.
7, 11, yeah. I did it all in B. I did blue, I think, and then I just divided to find R.
Yeah, you could do that too. All right, so divide both sides by 11. And we get R is equal to 13.
R is a much faster way than I.
So R is equal to 13.
The other two were so fast though, because they hit 6 in like 6 points in the first 30 seconds.
I know.
I was like,
And they had 40 in the first 11 minutes.
yeah.
And
I
it's-
answered one. I was like, wow, I answered
Wait,
the question.
but
I
the
got
people
right.
we played had 40 in the first 11 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what did we get?
We had 23.
Wait, how is that
I mean, let's
possible?
talk about more than 20.
Two circles are concentric. Concentric means that they are they share a center. So we have 1, 2. Actually, let's do that backwards. 1, 2. So we have 2 circles and they're concentric, and so they share a center. That's close enough, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
we know that the area between the two is A. We know the area of the smaller circle is B. And it says that the ratio of A to B is equal to 3. Sorry, 3. Which means this is a 3-to-1 ratio, right? 'Cause that's the only way you get a ratio of 3.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we know that the radius of the smaller circle is 2020, and we are trying to find this radius right here.
Oh, he says it multiply 20.
Oh, but we have to find the radius of the larger circle?
Yes, it is. You just multiply
Oh.
by 3.
No.
No, okay, you know the area, oh wait, what's,
Well, can't you just like find the area of the smaller circle and then like find the area of the bigger
Wait.
circle? Wait, I forget what I did. I mean, I didn't get it right, but.
So this is actually a problem straight out of stretching and shrinking from 7th grade. This is a scale factor problem. And we're talking about the area, right? And so the area is going to be the scale factor squared times bigger, right?
So 9.
So we know that so we're gonna have to keep that in mind, right? So what is the area of the overall thing? Well, the area of the overall thing is going to be A plus B.
That's going to be like 4.
So the area is going to be 4. What is the area of part B? Based on
1.
the area of part B is 1. The area of the entire thing is 4. What is the scale factor to go from the small circle to the large circle?
4?
Nope.
3.
It is,
Wait, I
remember,
thought what's the
9.
scale factor?
remember, area is scale factor squared times
Wait,
bigger.
Would it be at 16?
Right
Wait,
now,
what's the scale
right-
factor again? Like, give me a definition.
right now, we'll wait. Right now, the area of the large circle is 4 times the area of the
So
small
16.
circle.
Oh, 2?
So the scale factor, so right now, since the area is 4 times bigger,
Oh,
the scale factor is going to be the square root of
so 2.
2. So the scale factor is 2. So what is twice the size of 2020?
4,040.
4,040.
That was so much simpler than I
Wait,
did it.
what?
I'm so confused. I'm really confused.
Okay,
too.
so you know that we're recording for posterity's sake, and everyone's hearing you admit to being confused, right?
I'm confused.
I'm not confused at all.
Thank you, Avery. I'm glad that you're not confused.
I
So
know.
in 7th grade, okay, here's the principle that's going on. Let's call this a 1-by-1 square. What is the area of the square?
1.
1. Okay, the area is 1. All right, so now I'm going to apply a scale factor of 2. So 1 times 2 is 2.
Oh.
What is the area of this square?
4.
The area is 4.
2.
So we'll do one more. Let's apply a scale factor of 5. What are the side lengths of this
So it
square?
would be 25. 5 by 5.
5 by 5, 25. Notice how the area is always the scale factor squared times bigger than the original area. So So when we have a circle, the large circle has an area that is 4 times the area of the small circle. So therefore, the scale factor, working backwards, the scale factor has to be 2. Well, what is twice 2020?
4,040.
4,040. Okay, that
There
makes
you go.
sense. Oh my